In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make app icon tint in iPhone iOS 18. So if you're using iOS 18, just follow these steps to make or customize your app icon. First of all, from your iPhone home screen, hard press on a blank space and tap on edit at the top left corner. Tap on customize, and then here you will see your app icon customization option. Here tap on tint, and now using this top slider you will be able to select any color for your iPhone app icon. So here I'm selecting red color, for example. And now to change your color opacity, you can select the second slider. Using this slider you will be able to adjust the color value. And now to select a color from your iPhone wallpaper, just tap on this little drop icon, and then you will be able to easily use any color from your iPhone wallpaper. Just select the color and the color will be applied in your app icon, as you can see. So this is how we can make app icon tint. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.